That's why Kalani signed up for like the actual mentorship.
Yeah.
Right. It will just give you confidence, and it's less of an excuse of paralysis by analysis of being scared. So they just have a third set of eyes. But hey, yeah, no, that looks good. All right, pull the trigger. Just go. Fuck it.
Yeah. No,
You got
and I
something to fall
think
back on.
yeah, and she'll have a good base to work through and be like, okay, well, I can jump on this, I can do this, or I can do that, or I know this person's going to buy this because this is the metrics that work inside the group. And I think a lot of people, I haven't spent a lot of money on mentorships or anything. This industry is probably the most I've ever spent just because I was so nervous. And I think some of that nervousness comes from everything that we've built. But with that being said, if you are someone that potentially needs a little bit of hand holding, it's the best thing in the world that you could do. You know, you have a network behind you to go do this, right? We tried helping people coaching. It wasn't really our thing. I'm more interested in doing deals, but if you find a really good coach or a really good mentor or a really good group, you can really advance yourself. And again, you might not have all the answers, but if that deep personality type is somewhere inside of you, you can take that little bit of step and get to that next level, and you can put yourself into deals that you normally wouldn't do. So
I love that, bro. You've been throwing out fire the whole time.
Dude, I'm just trying to dodge you, man. You keep throwing shit at me. I'm like, all right, let's go. So yeah, I'm a firefighter. Let's do this. So no, man, dude, it's just, and look, I know from that one event, if you don't ever go to another one, I never went to another one. I know I got a guy who has a call center. If I ran across someone here in Baltimore, like, yo, look, I'm trying to set up a call center operation. Yo, dude, call Stratton, best guy I ever met. Like, I wouldn't even think twice about it. You know what I mean? Like, that's the whole thing. And that's where I think coronavirus, I'm not going to go off on my little tangent because I have a lot of opinions on it, but that's where coronavirus killed a lot of people, dude. That
intimacy of that.
Yeah, man. Shaking hands, talking shit, doing whatever, drinking beers. I mean, you were doing 75 hard for half the challenge. It's like, who's this guy? West Coaster doesn't drink. Look at him. And by the end of it, but you know what I mean? Like, seriously, at the end of it is like, man, we all left there with some sort of relationship amongst everyone that was there. And we all have an opportunity somewhere in this country to say, I found this deal, or I know this person does X, and it'll help you grow. And that's what I hate about the coronavirus, is that it shut a lot of that stuff down. I know people had to be safe. That's your opinion. And hopefully we get back to doing more of that type of stuff. And I look forward to that.